In my Valentine Week series, I'll be uploading and sharing with you guys last minute and budget friendly ideas. So stay tuned! Hello friends, today I have come up with really very interesting and something different. Like I'll be uploading 8 videos back to back in my Valentine Week series. Since Valentine Day is coming and before Valentine Day, there are more 7 days which we celebrate as teenage. You know what? In spite of being single, you can celebrate these days because nowhere it is written that these days are only for lovers or for someone in relationships. Like it's a rose day or teddy day or promise day. Simple, it's a rose day just like friendship day or mother's day. Rose day can be celebrated with anyone, not only with your girlfriend or boyfriend. Like rose day is just a flower and you can give to anyone. Like you can give your mom, you can give your dad, your friends, anyone. So for that I have planned 8 videos back to back to show you guys different ideas and budget friendly ideas. Yes, so my videos will be really very budget friendly. You can even say no budget videos. So this will even make the person really special and happy. So ultimately that matters, that the person with whom you are celebrating or the person whom you are giving should be happy. That's it. So today video number 1 is of Rose Day. So today's video is on Rose Day. Yes, you can just buy a rose and give it them. It's simple, nothing, and it's even in a budget, like it's not that costly. And the second thing you can do is just make a rose from paper. It will be no budget video. It will be no budget rose. Like just take a paper, colored paper of hardly 2 rupees or 3 rupees and make a rose. So how to make a rose? For that, let's go to the video. So to make a rose, we'll need a red or pink colored paper, a glue, a scissor and a scale for your convenience, and that's it. Okay, so we'll start. So what we have to do initially is that cut the strips from the paper. Actually, I love tearing with scale because it makes it really very easy than scissor. Now what you actually have to do is just take a glue and join these strips. Once they are done, it will be long strip of paper. It will look something like this. Now it's really very simple. What you have to do is just take all these strips side at a side. Just take one end of the strip and fold it 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 folds. Now take it in the downward direction and then fold it. Okay, now what you have to do is just fold in the backward direction this way and roll it. Then again fold it in a backward direction this way and then again roll it. It's really very simple. Again fold it in a backward direction, roll it. Fold it in a backward direction, roll it. It's really very simple. Fold it in backward direction, roll it. Fold it in a backward direction, roll it. Fold it in a backward direction, roll it. Let's make a song like roll, fold, roll, fold, roll, fold, roll, fold. I know I'm just joking and making you guys bored, but this is what it is. The process takes time. At starting it won't look nice, like when I was making at starting I didn't like it, but as it's getting ready I am liking it, like it's looking nice. Once you start making, your hands will be used to it and you don't need to be neat about it. Like you can be little untidy. And it's done. When it's done, you have to just stick it here with a glue. Now since your rose is ready, we need to make a stick. So for stick you'll need a green paper and just roll it. Now take a glue and stick the part. Now the third thing is that you can make a rose using a lace or a ribbon. For this you will need a ribbon. You can take any. I have taken this red ribbon, so I can make a red rose out of this. It's really very easy. What you have to do is just take two ends of this ribbon and joint it. Like, don't stick it, just catch it. After that, where exactly half it is coming, what you have to do is just take the ribbon, bring it to the front section, catch it. Now take your left hand ribbon towards right and your this right hand ribbon towards left in the opposite direction. Always take the ribbons in the opposite direction. Just what you have to take care is catch properly. Just keep on doing this continuously till the end of your ribbon. The more long ribbon it will be, the nice rose it will be. It may become little difficult to catch, but don't leave it. And once it is done, you will have something like this, looking like a chain. Now what you have to do is that at the end of this you will have two strings. Just catch one in your hand and other just catch this way. See how you have to catch it. Take this on your finger, keep the other one and then pull the ribbon on your right hand. And it will form something like this, a rose. You can form many such roses, or else you can take a big thick ribbon and make a big rose out of it. Now the last thing is that you can WhatsApp Happy Rose Day, but don't do in a common way like everyone does it. Like I get many Rose Day messages like saying Happy Rose Day, it is ignored. But if you say in a special way, like in a very different manner, so it will get noticed. So what you can do is just take your phone, open your WhatsApp, then change your chat background to a rose. Then delete all the chats from that person, open the chat box, write Happy Rose Day, a rose for a, if you are sending it to a girl, say it, a rose for a rose, or you can say is Happy Rose Day, a rose for you. And if you don't want that person to take in a wrong manner, what you can say is Happy Rose Day, a rose for you for being my friend since really very long time and being a very good part of my life. And then take a screenshot of that thing and then send to that person. It's really different and it will be like noticed by that person. That's it for today, and tomorrow I'll be uploading a video on Propose Day, like how you can propose a girl if you like that girl, and if you don't like that girl, and if you are just single and don't have any crush and don't want any relationship, then also you can celebrate Propose Day. How? For that, just wait for tomorrow's video. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe for my further videos. And that's it for today, and don't forget to give thumbs up if you like this video and you found out something new and something different. And please do let me know in the comment section that did you liked it or not, and if you have any such other ideas, then do let me know in the comment section so that it will help someone who is single, or else it may help someone who is in a relationship. So that's it for today. Bye bye.